don't want to say because I don't know if this video will blow up. But if this video does blow up, hey, if you know, you know. I don't want to talk too much because I'm not trying to get packed up. Yo, welcome back YouTube to a brand new video, man. Today is a banger. Happy Monday, you know what I'm saying? Welcome back with theOnlycarter. And today is a POV drive, but we are going to be running errands. If you guys are new, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the Twizzy gang, you know what I'm saying? We with the 2025 Toyota Camry SE all-wheel drive, you know what I'm saying? Nightshade edition. Anyways, let's start off by saying God bless you guys. Hopefully you guys do enjoy this video. We got some good content today, you know what I'm saying, chat? Today we're running errands. So one errand I gotta do is I gotta fill up on gas, full tank. And then number two, we're probably gonna go to Best Buy or Walmart because I have to pay for a GoPro windscreen. What that is it reduces the noise of the wind when I have the windows down. My buddy told me about it, so I definitely have to copy, you know what I'm saying? But hey, look at the car real quick. I finally found the screw so I can put my head mount back on instead of holding the camera, you know what I'm saying, chat? I'm thinking my next modification I'm probably gonna get is I'm gonna probably take out the headlights and probably get custom. You know what I'm saying, man? Failure is not an option. As y'all boys can see, that license plate is one of the hardest license plates, in my opinion, you know what I'm saying? Feeling good, living good, you know what I'm saying? Health is wealth, chat. Health is wealth. But yeah, I'm gonna hit the gas station, go either Best Buy or Walmart, and then we're probably gonna go slide up on some brassica, and then that's probably gonna be it. I'm gonna probably just be chilling all for the rest of the day. Boys and girls, we are like 800 subscribers away from 2.3 thousand, you know what I'm saying? Someone mentioned to me yesterday that I should do Streamer University, but I can't because my content is like based on cars and stuff. And if I were to do that, I would have to be streaming while driving at the same time. But I actually could do that if I hire someone to be a cameraman. But that means I'm gonna have to pay him as well. It all depends. Once we get to 5K gang, things are gonna be a lot different. I know I tell you guys a lot that things are gonna be different, but you know what I'm saying? I'm currently working part-time youth football coach for the Browns, so I'm doing that on the side, and then I'm doing a social media thing for a non-profit organization while doing my content as well. So it's not a lot. It's actually pretty fun. I enjoy it. It's just you know, you got to build your way up, you know what I'm saying? You don't just get a job. I mean, unless if you're like that, you know what I'm saying, if you got experience and stuff, but you got to work your way up, you know what I'm saying? You got to start off small, grind. You got to get up to the top, you know what I'm saying? That's just life, period. Now, if you're just lucky and you spawn in somehow and just living life, then good for you, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro, look at the beautiful mirror caps. So what I was explaining to you guys, I'm gonna get a windscreen GoPro. So that's gonna go around my GoPro, and it's gonna block out all the wind sound, so I don't have to keep using the AC. Because the GoPro overheats over time after maybe like 10-15 minutes, and then it powers off. So that's why I have the AC on, so it just stays cool. But when I have the AC on, you can hear it in the video, and I don't want to hear that, you know what I'm saying? So that's why we're gonna have the windows down, blocks out all the noise, you know what I'm saying? So I can just drive, you know, chill, you know what I'm saying? And get a little good POV. But I'm gonna get a chargeable battery, because I already have 2 batteries. I don't want to keep charging my GoPro every time, so we're just gonna put the batteries inside there. Problem solved, you know what I'm saying? Other one, we're probably gonna get a new lens, ultra wide, but it takes up the whole GoPro. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna figure it out. I know some people has mentioned they want to see a DoorDash POV. I'm not gonna lie, DoorDash has been playing me lately. It's not like it back in Virginia, like I'm making consistent money over at least like 100. It's been a little iffy, you know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying, chat. Been a little iffy. gotta do an ASMR. I'm gonna probably do another ASMR video, and then we're just probably gonna switch everything up. I was thinking about getting this video out by 5, but if I do that, this is gonna be a rushed video, and I do not want to do rushed videos, you know what I'm saying? I've done rushed videos only like 2 or 3 times. Came out all right, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully it's not a lot of people in Sheets. Oh, it's gonna be a lot. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot. I'm gonna get everybody on camera today. Everybody on camera today. It's gonna be that one person gonna start talking to me, I promise you guys. $110? Sheesh. Let's do $35 on pump 1. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Go ahead, man.
Just to be thanked, that's all.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good.
Huh?
I said I'm doing pretty good.
What can I get for you?
Can I do 35 on 1?
Oh, I thought you needed something.
Nah. Appreciate it. All right, thank you.
Do you need your receipt? Okay. Have a good day.
You too. Yeah, no problem. $35 on the tank, man. It's definitely gonna be a full tank. Watch. Oh. Dang, I gotta hold it. Oh, no, I don't. Ooh, actually I was wrong. Maybe 9. Yep, $9. As y'all boys can see, 9 gallons and 70. With this car, an economy car, man, all you're really paying is $35. When gas is like maybe $2.90, you're only paying $20. All these other cars, you're paying over 50, 60, 80, you know what I'm saying, bro? Nah, not around here, partner. Not around here. So we got 414 miles. So that's probably gonna last us till probably like Friday, Saturday, because I'm probably not gonna drive that much today. Or this week. Probably gonna get an ASMR video, probably like a cool little video. It's not gonna really waste much gas. I don't know any of these songs. Let's just do that. A test and take a couple classes, because you can't just get a drone license without it. You know what I'm saying? You got to take a test. You got to be certified, verified. You know what I'm saying? Verified. I've been looking at some type of cameras. It's pricey though, but it's definitely worth the investment. This right here, it's a GoPro. Like I said in my last video, or my second to last video, it ranges from $200 to $400, but a GoPro is, in my opinion, is all you need. But if you want to do like actual real footage and stuff, I would definitely invest into a camera. If you want to start off small, just get a used camera and like a new SD card, perfect. But if you really want to shoot and you want to go big, you might as well just invest into like a camera, like a real camera, like new. You know what I'm saying? This place right here, they wrap cars. It's a great place to go to. Like really great, 5-star. FedEx, man. Bro, I can't believe I used to work there 3 years ago. That's crazy. It was okay. It was only just for the time being, you know what I'm saying? Only for the time being, summertime. I was, what, a sophomore in college? Yeah. So, I don't recommend working there for the rest of my life. That's just me personally. I got goals, I got things I gotta accomplish in life, you know what I'm saying? Oh, there's a car cruise on Thursday? Dang, I can't even go. I got work. Got work Thursday and Friday, man. We're gonna be in LeBron City, Akron, Ohio. Speaking about LeBron, gang, I don't know what he's doing. I seriously do not know what he's doing, bro. Adam Silver said the schedule depends on LeBron. You know what I'm saying? If LeBron doesn't sign, then they're gonna have to wait. But when LeBron's put up that demonic symbol a couple weeks ago, I don't know who he's gonna sacrifice next. I'm so serious. I do not know who he's gonna sacrifice next. LeBron's my GOAT. I love him. I've known him for a while. I met him 3 times in my life, 2 times as a kid and 1 time as 16. And I'm not gonna lie, he's the greatest of all time. You know, he's done so much wonderful things on and off the court. I'm not even talking about basketball, period. I'm talking about him as a person. But he is part of some crazy things I don't want to say, because I don't know if this video will blow up. But if this video does blow up, hey, if you know, you know. I don't want to talk too much because I'm not trying to get packed up. But LeBron is the greatest of all time. He has done a crazy amount of things. But sometimes I think it's just time to hang it up, gang. It's time to hang it up, bro. I don't know if he's chasing another ring or not, but dude, yeah, you're about to be 42 and you're still top 10. But dude, it's just like, come on, gang. Curry about to retire. Kevin Durant's about to retire. The league's cooked after that. You know what I'm saying? But hey, anyways, let's see if Best Buy has it. If they don't, I'm just gonna have to go to Walmart over here. But if they don't have it over there, then we're just gonna have to order it on the Amazon, you know what I'm saying? Let's see, GoPro. What's going on, man? Quick question. You guys have GoPro stuff here?
Yeah. Just keep straight. You're going right in this middle aisle on the left-hand side, the very last aisle.
Appreciate it. Okay, that might have it, chat. Oh. Actually, man, I don't think they do. I don't know if they do, chat. I don't think they got it. Chat, looks like they don't got it. Oh, look at some of the drones they got. Speaking about it, actually. Oh, wow. Stuff's pretty cool, actually. I haven't been in Best Buy in so long. So it's been a minute. Let's see, do they have any stuff over here? Probably not. Yeah, they don't. Alright, so let's just go to Walmart, the one down the street. And then if they don't have it, then we'll just gonna have to order it online. That's cool. That's one thing I hate is when people stare and then they notice they're staring, and I'm gonna just look back at them. Look at that. That's sweet. That's a Hellcat right there. Just dance, bum 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 bum. This video probably gonna be like 30 minutes long. It's all good though. I'm gonna definitely attempt to do an hour-long video, probably like ASMR or something. One more stop, chat. One more stop. So we went to Walmart yesterday. We went to Target yesterday. They didn't have it. We just went to Best Buy. They don't have it. So we're gonna try this Walmart right here. Now, if they don't have it, then, man, you already know what that means. Gotta order online. Probably just gonna park all the way back here, because I don't like when people park next to me at all. That blows. That blows, muddy. Bloody, bloody, bloodies. Watch, when I come back, somebody's gonna park right next to me, bro. For no reason. I like that she's happy. Alright, let's get it, chat. I know y'all like the fit. We got some polo jeans, got some Jordans, Comme des Garçons t-shirt. And then I left the Fendi glasses in the car. But yeah, I am blessed to give you guys some more videos this week. The goal is to get to 3, but if we can, then we'll just do 2. This will be the first one. I haven't been in this Walmart before. Actually, I have. It's been a while. Chad, I think we're out of luck. Yeah, I think we're out of luck, man. Dang. They don't got it. Yeah, they don't got it, man. Welp. Let's see, either we just do saying on a gang gang.